अस्सलाम-ओ-अलैकुम दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करता हूँ सब अच्छा चल रहा होगा। जिनके एग्ज़ाम हो चुके हैं बहुत अच्छे से हुए होंगे और जिनके होने वाले हैं उनकी तैयारी बहुत अच्छी होगी। तो दोस्तों, मैं आपकी खिदमत में एक वीडियो लेकर हाजिर हुआ हूँ जिसमें साइंस से मुतालिक बहुत अहम सवालात हैं। खुसूसन जो टीचिंग टेस्ट हो रहे हैं केपीके में, इसमें ये बार बार यही सवालात दोहराए जाते हैं डिफरेंट तरीके से। और फेडरल पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन, पंजाब पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन में भी इनमें से कुछ सवालात दोहराए जाते हैं। और वीडियो की तरफ जाने से पहले दोस्तों, मेरी आपसे गुजारिश है कि हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें। इसके साथ साथ हमें चैनल की इम्प्रूवमेंट के बारे में भी सजेशन दें। आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। तो चलते हैं वीडियो की तरफ। The question is, the bodies of all living things are made up of very small unit called A. Cells, B. Group, C. Tissues, D. None of these. The correct answer is A. Cells. Question is, the organism whose bodies consist of single cells are called A. Unicellular, B. Multicellular, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. The correct answer is unicellular. Next question is, the organism whose bodies are made up of many small cells are called A. Multicellular, B. Unicellular, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. The correct answer is multicellular. Next question is, scientists classify living things into dash main group called kingdom. A5, B4, B7, C4, D8. The correct answer is 5. Question is, bacteria are classified into the kingdom of, option A is Monera, option B is algae, option C is animals, option D is fungi. The correct answer is Monera. Question is, algae are classified into the kingdom of A. Protista, B. Bacteria, C. Fungi, D. Animal. The correct answer is Protista. Question is, yeast and mushrooms are classified into the kingdom of A. Fungi, B. Protista, C. Plantae, D. Bacteria. The correct answer is fungi. Question is, plants are classified into kingdom of fungi. Option A is fungi, B is animalia, C. Plantae, D. Bacteria. The correct answer is Plantae. Question is, bacteria are dash organism. A. Unicellular, B. Multicellular, C. Tricellular, D. Both A and C. The correct answer is unicellular. Bacteria are unicellular organism. Next question is, dash are unicellular, colonial or multicellular organism. Option A is algae, option B is bacteria, option C fungi, option D is none of these. The correct answer is algae. Algae are unicellular, colonial or multicellular organisms. Next question is, an organism have chlorophyll and make their food by photosynthesis. Option A is bacteria, option B is algae, option C is fungi, option D is protista. The correct answer is algae. An organism have chlorophyll and make their food by photosynthesis is algae. Question is, animals are classified into the kingdom of dash. A. Fungi, B. Bacteria, C. Animalia, D. Protista. The correct answer is Animalia. Animals are classified into the kingdom of Animalia. Question is, Chlamydomonas, Volvox and Spigera are A. Bacteria, B. Fungi, C. Algae, D. None of these. The correct answer is algae. Question is, organism found in unicellular, multicellular or filamentous forms are. Option A is algae, option B is bacteria, option C is fungi, option D is none of these. The correct answer is fungi. Organisms found in unicellular, multicellular or filamentous forms are fungi. The question is yeast, rhizomes and mushrooms are algae, B fungi, C bacteria, D animal. The correct answer is fungi. Yeast, rhizomes and mushrooms are fungi. Question is animals are classified into how many groups? Option A is 2, option B is 3, option C is 5, option D is 6. The correct answer is option 2. A. Animals are classified into how many groups? Animals are classified into two groups. Question is animals are classified into two main groups which are A. Invertebrates, B. Vertebrates, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. The correct answer is C. Both A and B. Animals are classified into two main groups which are invertebrates and vertebrates. Next question is animals which do not have backbone are called A. Vertebrates, B. Invertebrates, C. Unicellular, D. None of these. The correct answer is B. Invertebrates. Animals which do not have backbone are called invertebrates. Next question is animals have their backbone are A. Invertebrates, B. Vertebrates, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. The correct answer is vertebrates. Animals have their backbone are vertebrates. Next question is there are about 47,000 dash animals are on surface on earth. Option A is vertebrates, B is invertebrates, C is unicellular, D none of these. The correct answer is vertebrates. There are about 47,000 vertebrates animals are on the surface on earth. Next question is vertebrates are further classified into dash groups. Option A is 4, option B is 6, option C is 5, option D is 7. The correct answer is option C is 5. Vertebrates are further classified into 5 groups. Next question is amphibians are belong to which group? Option A is vertebrates, option B is invertebrates, option C is unicellular, option D is none of these. The correct answer is vertebrates. Amphibians are belong to vertebrates. Next question is birds are belong to which group? Option A is vertebrates, option B is invertebrates, option C is unicellular, option D is none of these. The correct answer is vertebrates. Birds are belong to vertebrates. Next question is fishes are belong to which group? A. Vertebrates, option B is invertebrates, option C is unicellular, option D is none of these. The correct answer is vertebrates. Fishes are belong to vertebrates. Next question is reptiles are belong to which group? Option A is vertebrates, option B is invertebrates, option C is unicellular, option D is none of these. The correct answer is vertebrates. Reptiles are belong to vertebrates. Next question is mammals are belong to which group? Option A is vertebrates, option B is invertebrates, option C is unicellular, option D is none of these. The correct answer is vertebrates. Mammals are belong to vertebrates. Next question is human beings, cows, goats, tigers, rabbits, etc. are belong to which group of vertebrates? Option A is fishes, option B is reptiles, option C is mammals, option D is amphibians. The correct answer is C, mammals. Human beings, cows, goats, tigers, rabbits are belong to mammals. Next question is dash have hair or fur on their body. Option A is mammals, option B is reptiles, option C is amphibians, option D is fishes. The correct answer is mammals. Mammals have hair or fur on their body. Next question is dash is flying mammals. Option A is sparrow, option B is pigeon, option C is bat, Option D is none of these. The correct answer is C. Bat. Bat is the only flying mammal. The next question is dash is the world's largest animal. It is about 35 meters long and 120 tons in weight. Option A is blue whale. Option B is lions. Option C is elephant. Option D is leopard. The correct answer is blue whale. Blue whale is the world's largest animal. It is about 35 meters long and 120 tons in weight. Next question is pigeons, sparrows, doves, rabbit, etc. are belong to which group of vertebrates? Option A is mammals, option B is birds, option C is reptiles, option D is none of these. The correct answer is B, birds. Next question is dash have hollow bones and their air sacs which makes their bodies light. Option A is birds, option B is mammals, option C is reptiles, option D is amphibians. The correct answer is birds. Birds have hollow bones and air sacs which makes their body light. Next question is some birds like dash and dash cannot fly and are known as running bird. Option A is kiwi, option B is ostrich, option C is pigeon, option D is both A and B. The correct answer is both A and B. Ostrich and kiwi are cannot fly and are known as running bird. The next question is hummingbird is the dash bird in the world. Dash A smallest, B largest, C tallest, D none of these. The correct answer is A smallest. Hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. Next question is lizard, snakes, tortoises, crocodiles, etc. are belong to which group of vertebrates? Option A is mammals, option B is fishes, option C is reptiles, option D is amphibians. The correct answer is reptiles. Lizard, snakes, tortoises, crocodiles are belong to reptiles. Next question is dash have dry, thick and scaly skin. A reptiles, B mammals, C amphibians, D fishes. The correct answer is reptiles. Reptiles have dry, thick and scaly skin. Next question is toad, frog and salamanders are belong to which group of vertebrates? Option A is mammals, option B is amphibians, option C is reptiles, option D is bird. The correct answer is amphibians. Toad, frog and salamander are belong to amphibians. Next question is dash can live on land as well as in water. A reptiles, B birds, C amphibians, C D fishes. The correct answer is amphibians. Next question is there are over 25,000 different kind of dash in the world. A fishes, B dogs, C monkeys, D lions. The correct answer is fishes. There are over 25,000 different kind of fishes in the world. Next question is dash have fins and tails which help them to swim. Option A is fishes, option B is frogs, option C is dogs, option C is crocodiles. The correct answer is fishes. Fishes have fins and tails which help to swim. Next question is insects, snails, starfish and worm are example of which groups? Option A is vertebrates, option B is invertebrates, option C is mammals, option D is amphibians. The correct answer is invertebrates. Insects, snails, starfish and worm are example of invertebrates. Next question is every insect has dash part of their body. Option A is 2, option B is 3, option C is 4, option D is 5. The correct answer is B3. Every insect has 3 parts of their body. Next question is 3 parts of insect's body are A head, B thorax, C abdomen, D all of above. The correct answer is all of above. Head, thorax and abdomen are 3 parts of insect's body. Next question is dash have 6 legs, 3 pair. Option A is insects, option B is fishes, option C is mammals, option D is none of these. The correct answer is insects. Insects have 6 legs, 3 pairs. Next question is worms are dash with soft bodies with no limbs. Option A is vertebrates, option B is invertebrates, option C is cellular, option D none of this. The correct answer is invertebrates. Worms are invertebrates with soft bodies with no limbs. Next question is starfish and sea anemone are the example of A. vertebrates, B. invertebrates, C. marine invertebrates, D. none of these. The correct answer is marine invertebrates. Starfish and sea anemone are the example of marine invertebrates. Next question is plants are classified into dash types. Option A is 2, option B is 3, option C is 4, option D is 5. The correct answer is 2. Plants are classified into 2 types. Next question is plants are mainly classified as A. flowering plant, B. non-flowering plant, C. both A and B, D. none of these. The correct answer is both A and B. Plants are mainly classified as flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Next question is the plants that bears flowers are called A. flowering plant, B. non-flowering plant, C. both A and B, D. none of these. The correct answer is flowering plants. The plant that bears flowers are called flowering plants. Next question is the leaves in the flowers are called A. floral leaves, B. sepals, C. petals, D. seeds. The correct answer is floral leaves. Next question is the outer green color floral leaves are called A. sepals, B. flowers, C. petals, D. none of these. The correct answer is sepals. The outer green color floral leaves are called sepals. Next question is inside the sepals there are colorful leaves are called A. sepals, B. petals, C. floral leaves, D. none of these. The correct answer is B. petals. Inside the sepals there are colorful leaves are called petals. Next question is there is young plant in every seed of flowering plants called A. embryo, B. cotyledon, C. fruit, D. none of these. The correct answer is embryo. Next question is embryo leads one or two seeds leaf called cotyledon, B. fruit, C. flower, D. none of these. The correct answer is cotyledon. Embryo leads one or two seeds leaves called cotyledon. Next question is seed of grasses have A. one cotyledon, B. monocotyledon, C. tricotyledon, D. none of these. The correct answer is one cotyledon. Seeds of grasses have one cotyledon. Next question is flowering plants whose seeds have only one cotyledon. Option A is dicot plant, option B is monocot plant, option C both A and B, option D is none of these. The correct answer is monocot plant. Flowering plants whose seed have only one cotyledon are called monocot. Next question is oat, wheat and rice are option A is monocot plant, option B dicot plant, option C both A and B, option D is none of these. Correct answer is monocot plant. Oat, wheat and rice are monocot plant. Dash have their the leaf veins runs parallel to each other. A monocotyledon, B dicotyledon, C both A and B, D none of these. The correct answer is monocotyledon. Monocotyledon have the leaves veins run parallel to each other. Next question is flowering plants like rose, pea and bean have two cotyledon in their seeds are called A monocot, B dicot, C none of these, D both A and B. The correct answer is dicot. Flowering plants like rose, pea and bee have two cotyledon in their seeds are called dicot. Next question is leaf veins of the dash plants are in the form of network. Option A is dicot, option B is monocot, option C is fruit plant, option D is none of these. The correct answer is dicot. Leaf veins of the dicot plants are in the form of network. In this slide, we show comparison of monocot and dicot plants. In comparison, in monocot plants, they have one cotyledon, and dicot plants, they have two cotyledons. In monocot leaves, veins run parallel to each other. In dicot plants, veins form a network. In monocot plant, floral leaves are 3 or multiple of 3. In dicot plant, floral leaves are 4 or 5 of their multiple. This is a comparison of monocot and dicot plants. तो दोस्तों ये थी हमारी इस वीडियो की आखिरी स्लाइड। दोस्तों आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी और इसमें क्वेश्चन कैसे लगे, अगर इसमें कोई कमी या कोताही रह गई है तो प्लीज़ हमें इसके बारे में आगाह कीजिएगा और कमेंट बॉक्स में अपना कमेंट लाजमी दीजिएगा। और अपने दोस्त, अगर आपको ये वीडियो हमारी अच्छी लगी तो अपने दोस्तों से भी लाजमी शेयर कीजिएगा और हमारे चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। शुक्रिया, अल्लाह हाफिज़, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।